Well, here we are. She's been stripped and washed and scrubbed and cleaned and polished and sharpened and painted, and I'm rather pleased with the outcome. Now let's put her back together. So we've just trimmed that a tiny little bit. Before I put any sealant in the front hole of this rear handle, I will just try it and see if we've done enough. I think that's good enough. There's no movement there now. That's what I wanted. See, there's not too many parts to a plane, but what there is needs treating properly. Now we put this lever cap in first and then slide the newly sharpened blade behind it, and the bevel wants to be moving upwards out of the back. And although I've put my gloves on for this process, I really need to feel where that blade is coming out to get it set as I would want it. And I think that's right. And there we have one newly renovated and restored plane. Rather nicer, I think you'll agree, than it was when we started. And she is called Lavender, and we'll need to find her somewhere to live. But for now, let's go and have some fun. Come back tomorrow and watch me plane.